Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to create a reading bar, a bar which you can scroll, then as you're reading, then it scrolls on top. To do that, go to your dashboard and install a plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. After that, go to a page you need to add a reading bar and click on this settings icon, scroll until you see reading bar. Open it, then you turn it on. You can still open the reading bar to all pages, or you can only show it on one page. If you need it to show in all pages, you click turn on this to enable it for all pages. For now, I need it only on one page. Then you can change the position bottom. Hope you can see. We can change the color so that you can see it very well. Let me get the best color here. Scroll, then you can see the progress. Or you can have it on top. You can see the progress here. You can add the speed. And now for me here, the speed I need at 50. So that's how you can create this. Hope you can see. You can even increase the height of it depending on how you need it to look like. So please, if you need to install this, to have this in your website, you can size according to the size you feel like it is better for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.